कि कहाँ लिखवाना है?
कबीर है करके लिख दीजिए।
अरे ऐसे कैसे? आपकी शादी है, आप ऐसे क्यों बोल रहे हो?
शादी है और शादी से पहले ही लड़ रहे हो, क्या ही बोलूं।
अरे लड़ाई झगड़ा होता रहता है, आप उसके चक्कर में अपना मूड मत खराब करो।
शादी से पहले, शादी के बाद क्या?
अरे सब नाच रहे हैं, तुम फोन पे क्यों हो?
चल काव्या चल यार, कम लेट्स डांस।
Sorry, इतना लेट हो गया. There was so much traffic. I'm sorry. Namaste, auntie. Hi, Kavya, looking so pretty. Congratulations, you make such a beautiful bride. Everyone's looking so pretty. I can't believe I missed it, yeah, guys. I'm so sorry.
ऐसा आया?
Hi, guys. 1 sec. I'll just make a phone call and come. Just give me 1 second. I'm so sorry.
अब मैं देख कर आती हूँ आंटी. हाय.
ठीक है.
हाँ.
Are you okay?
Do I look okay?
I know it can be very awkward at first, but I think you need to let it go a little. It's everyone's here. It's Kavya's wedding.
I know, but I can't be in the same room as her. I can't see her.
But it's been 5 years. I understand it can be a little hard, but let's try to keep it a little low-key.
Okay. For Kavya, right? Because
Yeah.
that's important. Thank you. I appreciate this.
अरे तुम जगह पे हो?
आप क्यों उठ रहे हो? इतनी रात हो रही है।
अरे नहीं, कुछ नहीं, मैं तो तुम्हारे बचपन की पिक्चर्स देख रही थी.
हाय हाय, दिखाओ।
देखो देखो, ये है तुम्हारा किंडरगार्टन का पहला दिन का पिक्चर. देखो.
So cute। आप लोगों ने क्या किया था उस दिन? आप और डैड छोड़ने आए थे मेरे को?
नहीं बेटा, सिर्फ मैं ही थी, पापा को कुछ काम था.
पापा को हमेशा काम होता है। It must have been so hard for you। आपने मेरे को बचपन से अकेले पाला है। Everything that you've done for me, you've done on your own। He's just never been there। He's not here now। He's not been there ever। अब आपने पता नहीं कैसे किया।
आप अरे ऐसे नहीं सोचते बेटा. For me only you matter. I did what I thought was right for you throughout. And देखो शायद वो आ जाए कल.
Doesn't bother me।
चलो छोड़ो, अभी कल हल्दी है, हम एंजॉय करेंगे. तुम्हारे साथ दोस्त भी आने वाले हैं कल हल्दी पे. तुम सो जाओ. यू नीड अ गुड नाइट्स रेस्ट.
Good night।
गुड नाइट.
फ्लास्क चाहिए, आप क्या ऑरेंज लगा के दो, मैं क्या करूँगी? आपके पास इतना ही टाइम है, हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ? नहीं, आप मेरे को फिक्स करके दोगे।
Tell me हुआ क्या exactly?
Just stressed यार, कितने महीनों, like these things, it takes so much time, I'm just so stressed. Plus this man, he keeps fighting with me. I mean, he's not fighting with me, but he keeps doing these things.
But you need to understand थोड़ा भी होगा, and I know because of all of these situations you're stressed, but let it go थोड़ा.
यार मेरे को बनना था चिल ब्राइड, एकदम ब्राइड जिला बन के घूम रही हूँ मैं, मतलब मैं क्या करूँ यार? Like I thought I'd have like a good time and I'll be chilling.
And you were literally the only one who wanted to get married in our group, and we knew you would be the first one, and you would be the it bride. तो क्या हुआ एकदम से?
I wanted to get married. I want to get married, of course I do. But यार ये सब, I don't know. I think I'm just, मुझे नहीं पता.
अच्छा, tell me about uncle. Is he coming or not?
It's just not something I've thought about. आएंगे पता नहीं.
चिल मार यार, अब हो जाएगा. We've gotten through so much. अब we'll see कैसा होगा. Don't worry.
Thank you for coming.
अरे काव्या देखो कौन आया तुमसे मिलने?
आप आ गए?
कोर्स मेरी बेटी की शादी है, मैं क्यों नहीं आता? तो तुम भी रेडी हो जाओ, मैं भी रेडी हूँ.
It is so good.
Genuinely, I heard it.
अरे
so आया बेटे आओ बैठो.
Hi, Ami, 1 second. Arya, can I talk to you for a minute?
Me?
Yeah, you. Honestly, wait a second. We'll be back.
Don't go.
Why do you call me here, Sohaya?
I want to talk to you.
Tell me.
How's your husband?
This is the first thing you chose to ask me after so many years?
Honestly, you shouldn't have come. You're half an hour late. I'm always just sitting waiting for you. I don't like nagging you. In 1 year of us dating, I don't know how many times I would have begged you to be punctual. It's so easy for you to just take me for granted, my time for granted, this relationship for granted. You think I want to meet you like this? You think this is the first conversation I want to have with you when we meet after so long? It's so irritating, Arya. I don't want to be in this position.
So I'm
it's so
getting married.
frustrating. Wait, what? You're getting married? Tell me, how have you been?
I'm okay.
Are you happy?
Sure. So hi, yes. I'm happy. Anyway, why do you come so late? Were you trying to avoid me? I didn't mean to upset you. I was just joking.
You didn't upset me, and even if you were joking, that is the truth. I did come late. It's not easy seeing you, Arya. It's not easy being around you, especially in this setting. So I did come late. I was trying to avoid you.
So how you think it's easy for me knowing that you're going to be here?
You're the one who got married to someone else. You didn't call once. You didn't try reaching out to me. You didn't care. You moved on like we never happened.
Why is this always my fault? Everything. So hi, you could have reached out too.
And said what? Okay, let's play this situation out, Arya. And said what to you? Hi, Manav. Can you give the phone to Arya, your wife, who was my first love? I would have picked the phone up and asked you to meet me outside. What would I have done? You don't think it was your responsibility to call out and reach out to me? You know, I'm sorry. This is not what I want to do. This is not what I wanted to talk to you about. I don't know who could have reached out to who, but now, older, maybe a little wiser, I think I understand why you did what you did then. As much as
I wish you could have waited for me. That's not something I could have asked of you. And let's be honest, we couldn't ever have any of this. But I am coming out to my parents now. At least I'm trying to. And I think I understand what you did, why you did then.
So, Aya, you have no idea how much I regret every day that I didn't have a little more courage to tell my parents, to tell them who I actually love. Maybe our story would have been different. Maybe it wouldn't have ended like this for us. I don't know. Why now? Why are you telling them so late?
If I'm being honest, there was no one after you. There's been no one, but maybe there's been no one I wanted to come out for. But now that I'm here and I'm seeing you, I think it's time I finally accept that this is reality. And I'm deciding to tell them now. Listen, no matter where we are, no matter where we are in life, I want you to know I don't hate you. I can't ever hate you. I think a huge part of me is always going to be in love with you, but I just want you to know that I don't.
Do you mind if I hug you?
मैं तुझे मिलूंगा फिर कभी अभी मैं तेरा हो ना सका ख्वाहिश मेरी ना फिर कोई दिल में जो तूने मुझको रखा सौदा रिवाजों का
हाँ हाँ, तुम सब पहुंच गए ना? हम भी बस आ ही रहे हैं, बस काव्या हो ही गई थी यार। सुनो, एक कॉम होगी क्या?
अरे आपका कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
By the way, I'm very proud of you. The way you raised Kavya. It's like you've done the job of both the parents alone.
अरे ये लो कंगी.
Thank you.
तुम इन सबको छोड़ के कैसे कल सुबह जाओगी मेरे साथ इन्हें भी तो तुम याद बहुत आओगी
It makes me so happy to see you all grown up as a bride. Are you feeling okay? कुछ हुआ? इतनी बड़ी हो गई तुम, अपनी माँ से झूठ बोलोगी.
I'm just scared, mom. Like it's a big step, and I don't know if things will work out. मतलब मेरी जिंदगी बदलने वाली है और मुझे नहीं पता मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ.
बेटा कबीर loves you. You have been together for so long. I know that he's a good person. It will work out.
It's not about love, mom. It's I'm just scared. Like you and Dad also loved each other, and I did not go with him. And I don't want things to fall apart between me and him. Like I know that he loves me and I love him, but I don't want us to take each other for granted and for things to fall apart. I just don't.
बेटा हमारी बात अलग थी, हमारा ज़माना अलग था, and the amount of things that Kabir does for you, your dad didn't even think of doing for me until I left.
Mom, I just don't know that when it comes to it, I'll be strong enough to take that step because you were, and I don't know if things will work out. So
मुझे नहीं पता।
आपने जो किया, जैसे किया, मैं नहीं कर सकती. I don't think I'm strong enough.
Beta, as a mother, I would say hold on to what you have. It's very special. But as a woman, I think you should do exactly what's best for you. मैंने तुम्हें ये कभी बात नहीं बताई, but there were a lot of times when I thought of staying with your dad and how life would be different and if I did wrong by you, by leaving him. But looking at you today, looking at the woman that you have become, I'm proud of who you are and I will support every choice you make. And remember, you might like someone who is perfect, but you will always fall in love with their imperfections. And honestly, that's what makes marriage so beautiful. You got this. चलो अभी चले, शादी शुरू होने वाली है.
उम्मीद कितना छोटा शब्द है ना, पर अगर मायना समझ लो तो ना जाने कितने सवालों के जवाब मिल जाए. रहीम तो कह गए कि रहीमन धागा प्रेम का मत तोड़ो चटकाए, जोड़े से फिर ना जुड़े जुड़े गांठ पड़ जाए. पर काश लोगों ने रघुपंती सहाय फिराक को भी पढ़ा होता, जो कहते हैं कि जो रूठे पिया 100 बारी तो 100 की 100 बार मना लूं, और जो ना उम्मीद हुए तुम्हें इस रिश्ते से, इस गांठ से पड़े धागे से तलवार बना दूं. सफ़रनामे में अंजाम की ना कोई बात हो, हर रोज़ एक नए सिरे से मुलाकात हो, और है उम्मीद कि एक रोज़ होगा सवेरा, फिर चाहे कितनी ही लंबी ये रात हो. उम्मीद रख अपने दिल दी चौखट पे, ना जाने कितने आबाद तो कितने बर्बाद हुए, और जब पड़ी सिलवटें तो सबको रहीम याद आए, पर ना जाने कितनों को फिराक याद हुए.